Welcome back to Daily DeFi. Today is February 1st, 2021. Hope everyone is having a great start to this new month, a fresh start in 2021. If you weren't able to get in on New Year's Day, a lot of people with their New Year's resolutions have already gotten kind of thrown out the door. So it's very, very important to understand, kind of start new in this second month here in 2021. Today we're going to be covering four main stories. First, the potential silver short squeeze. Then DogeCoin, the insane movement with Wall Street Bets. After that, the Wall Street Bets token on CoinMarketCap. And then lastly, Balancer Protocol, a very, very important token in the decentralized market. We will be making a full video on that, basically a tutorial, how to use their Balancer Protocol, and kind of what's going on with that in the next video on today. So definitely stay tuned for that. But let's first dive right into the commodities market. I am fundamentally very, very bullish on commodities. I think they're extremely undervalued. They've seen a lot of price manipulation, especially in silver and platinum. I personally think the key things you should be looking out for in the commodities are basically the use cases in electric vehicle batteries. So the key here to look at, in my opinion, is lithium. So you should definitely be looking at Li, Ni, and Co. So lithium, nickel, and copper. These are very, very important. And silver has been basically having a lot of attention from the Wall Street Bets community. So as they say here, silver further rallied today, Thursday, to mark their highest finish in 3 weeks, following a post by a Reddit user who suggests executing a short squeeze on silver. So if you don't know, basically silver is extremely manipulated by people like JP Morgan, all these big financial advisors and kind of like investment companies, and that's why this Wall Street Bets community is really getting behind it. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but Dogecoin, you can see this insane. This isn't even a parabola. I mean, I try and talk about parabolas here, but like, what the fuck is this shit? Look at this Dogecoin price movement towards the upside. I mean, what the hell? This is insane. It's honestly hilarious. Like, I respect the pump here. January 29th, 2021, we saw this kind of retracement back down. I mean, this was euphoria right here, in my opinion. The issue here is it's like, who's catching the falling knife? I mean, what the heck? They're telling people to hold to like $1. I mean, go ahead if that's what you want to do. If that's how you're investing, if you just want to like throw away money. I mean, if you already made the money in profits, go ahead and do this. But I mean, whatever. Like, if this is your savings and you're putting it into Dogecoin, you should leave this channel. Go on to www.uslottery.com and just play the lottery. That's kind of the idea here. So next, we're talking about Wall Street Bets. They added this Wall Street Bets token on a CoinMarketCap, which I think is hilarious. 7 billion. It's on like what 7,800,000,000 watch the list. This is pretty awesome. So yeah, I mean the memes are hardcore in this space right now. We will be talking about more serious things here in a second with a Balancer. So this is a project we'll be making a video on later today, so definitely stay tuned for that. It's down about 5.8%. It's at $26.50. I think this is a great buy. If you look at the 1 year low and 1 year high, you see that high at $37.96 and the low at about $8. The market cap is 183 million, volume 191 million, circulating supply 6,943,000. Balancer tokens, the max supply is 100 million. All right, so you can see this. We haven't even reached this all-time high right here. So I think we could be forming a bit of a cup and handle formation right here with the Balance token. I think this is an interesting project to get into. Definitely stay tuned for that video later on today for basically how you can use the Balancer token protocol. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Daily DeFi. If you enjoyed really any of these topics, let me know in the comments down below what you think of Doge, what you think of this silver short squeeze. Will it happen? Will it not? Balancer and Wall Street Bets. All of this, let me know in the comments. As always, like, subscribe button all, invest global, and until next time.